Hello everybody, my name is Pancholi and I am a mechanical engineer. So I got a 6.5 and overall in IELTS, and it's all credit goes to IELTS and Careerline. Okay, so first of all, when I started that, I was so scared regarding IELTS, and I heard like it is so difficult to achieve. Okay, so I started it in around January, and I got main session, and I also conducted that. I had myriads of tips and which are were given by a year sir. So I always followed that kind of things, and I achieved that. So 101 session of speaking, it was so fantastic. Okay, I would say that Barkamem and Mihir sir give a lot of suggestions regarding speaking and how would I improve that. So it was so amazing, and library assessment was so exciting and helpful for me. So I spent a lot of time over there, and I always do my reading and such a kind of things in library, and I had a lot of books which are given by library. Finally, I would say that they give Har Kadam Par right advice.